Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be another Zara haul. I got some cool little pieces, some colors, some nice pieces I'm excited to try on. This two-piece that I have is just a nice little loungewear. Currently I'm working from home, so it's just really nice and comfy, and I also do my errands in it. I got it from Tesco F&F. I think in total it was £30. I'll try and put a link in the description bar. I'm sorry for like my stuffy nose kind of voice. I have a cold. I'm currently recovering. I'm on day 3. So hopefully tomorrow I should be all better. But yeah, let's get into the video. So here is the first dress. It's this green lime t-shirt dress. Material is really nice. It's not satin. Okay, maybe it's a hard satin because it's not the ones where if you like touch it, you're a bit sensitive and you're a bit scared that it's gonna like frail away and have those cuts. So it's a good material to wear. However, I don't like it. I swear it's different from the website. For example, if you see the back, it has this like cutout. I don't know why they did that. I just think it's kind of ugly. And the way it just sits on my body, I don't like the way it sits. I think I just don't like the cutouts, and yeah, I don't like it. Let me put a belt on so you can see what it looks like with a belt. I'm just going to reuse my gold Ted Baker belt. Sorry, I'm looking in the corner. I need to put my mirror there so I can see what's going on. So, here is the belt on. So, I just don't like this. It's £30. I got in a size small. I thought it looked really nice, and I think when people wear it, they pose in a certain way where they make it look nice. But for actually wearing it out, I just don't like it. I would prefer something without the cutouts. So it's a no for me. Next up is this cardigan, and I need to be careful because I'm not wearing anything underneath. Well, I'm wearing laundry underneath it. But as you can see, it's a really nice cardigan in itself. Nice material, size small, and £30. So really nice cardigan. You can wear it with, tops and jeans, you know that idea. However, what I wanted to do is, because I saw it on the Zara website, let me step away from the camera quickly, is to put a belt with it. Dress it up. You could get away with wearing this as a dress. Oh gosh, this is looking like Sex in the City. Ooh, I like this. Very, 2000s Beyonce, J-Lo. Tell me what you think, guys. It might be too short for a dress. Here's the back. Can we pull the back a little bit? Let's see. What do you think? Just need some nice boots. Don't know where you're wearing this out, okay? Where you going dressed like this? I think if your mom sees you going out like this, she's gonna be asking you questions like, where you going? But I would personally wear like a long vest underneath, and then if you want to be safe, put some shorts underneath it, like not the long ones, just put some like legging shorts, and then get some nice thigh-high boots. Like, I want to go back to Vista Village and try Stuart Weitzman and try and get thigh-high boots, but they'll be in brown. This belt that I got is from H&M. It was £13 or £12.99, but this will be the look. This is cute, guys, isn't it? Okay, and you could also get a pin, like I forgot what they're called, but you just pin it at the end to just protect yourself. What was I gonna say? The cardigan hasn't got any pockets, which is the downside because I love pockets. But yeah, this is a cute little look. My booty's on. Go out to coffee, just a cute little drink. You like crossing your legs now, and then you'll see a little bit. So this has to be a boyfriend, okay? Not a first date, okay? A boyfriend, someone you've been dating for a while, because you don't want to be exciting someone. In the beginning, you gotta dress classy, gotta cover it up, And then as you get more comfortable, you know. Zara has the dresses for the girls. The only problem is Zara wants us to be hooch mamas, because Zara really wants us to be living hot girl summer, and I want to be there, Zara, with you, but I kind of want to be a little more conservative, because I'm trying to get those kind of men, you know, like high up here, you know, doctor, lawyer, accountant, finance. I don't want to attract guys who just see the body and think they can get it, you know, because they ain't gonna get anything. This dress is hot. It's a very beautiful dress. The problem I have with it is I don't know where I would wear it because it's just too much body. The problem, actually, the problem isn't that I don't have anywhere to wear it. I can wear it places, but I just would not like the attention I would get in this dress. If I had a significant other, then it would be fine. I could wear it with them. But because right now I'm just dating, I'm out on these streets, struggling. I'm not really struggling that much. One guy is alright, but I'm still struggling because I'm not married. So it's a nice dress, but at this moment I have nowhere to wear it. It's just too short for me. If it was towards the knees, then I'll be like, okay, I can wear it out for dinner with my mom or my friends. But I wouldn't feel comfortable walking around in this. And considering I'm 5'3", 5'4", this is a really short dress. Like, if you are an average, like 5'6" or and above, don't get this dress. Look how short it is in the back. It's so short. I got it in a size small, and it's £50. Price wise, it's alright. I mean, quality is really, really good. Like, love the design. I love this at the top here. And I feel supported. I'm not wearing a bra, but I feel really supported. So yeah, beautiful, but it's too sexy. So what was actually supposed to be next was this cute little top from Zara, but I couldn't get it on. I tried to get it up this way, but the hip's too big. Then I tried to get it up this way, and it just was not working. It's £20. I tried a size small. I think if the zip is pretty high, but it's a really cute top. Good luck. Try it. Definitely try yourself if you can get it on. I just don't have the time or the patience to try and get it on. It's just going to really turn. So, you know, I don't want to struggle to get clothes on and then have to take them off as well. Like, no. So this is a bodysuit instead. Really cute. It's satin. Like the color. Like the design here. I heard like a buzz noise. Don't know what that was. Paired it up with my jeans. I don't think this looks very flattering with the jeans. Maybe because they're like jean material. If they were jeggings, maybe it would be better. Or maybe, I think a skirt would look nicer. Or some trousers. I have some white trousers. Let me try it with the trousers on. But anyways, so this is like the boob section. I love the stitching. And then you just got some extra material. Spaghetti straps. The zip on the side. I'm sorry I didn't shave. How embarrassing. And then just like stitching effect just to really make it sexy. It's £26 if I'm correct, and I got it in a size small. So a bit on the pricey side, but it's really cute. If you like it, you know, get it. Let me try it on with the trousers. This is what it looks like with the white trousers. So what I would do is pair it with like gold shoes if you want to wear this. This is the problem with white trousers, that they look great on, but they're see-through. Like, why? Why the companies know this, but they don't fix them. These trousers are so cute. Size small, £30. Love all the stitching detail, but they're see-through. You can see my ass. Like my actual ass. I shouldn't be saying those words, should I? I don't know the rules. You can see too much of my body. Do you have to wear like granny underwear, like briefs? Because you can't even wear like a petticoat. Do they have legging petticoats? Like, ugh, really annoying. But I'm going to change the top, keep the trousers on so you can see this other look that I have. Okay, so here's the piece, the two-piece. The colors literally match and the material I think is like the same. So amazing. So I'll wear like this and then just wear some cute little heels. I want to buy some new Louboutins. I want to get white ones because I've been looking for white court heels and I just wanted to get, you know, some cheapy ones. But now I'm really struggling to find them anywhere. I tried Zara, I tried New Look. Did I try ASOS? I tried ASOS. They were out of stock. So I think this is God telling me I should buy Louboutins. My birthday is coming up in about on the 31st of October. So, you know, I'm gonna hopefully gonna get a bit of money from mum, dad, split parents, friends. So probably we'll just put that towards that. If I don't get like a nice little bag. So yeah, this will be the look. Top is £26. Got an extra small. You've got a nice V-cut here. Got a nice Debenhams bra on. And then it has elastic at the back. So you get a nice handbag if you want to get like the Louis Vuitton I'm a Baby, or like the Coach tabby in like the ivory off-white color, cream. That'll be the look. Or you can get something, you know, bright if you want it, but I think those colors would look really nice. Yeah, and this would just be browsing in London, Harrods, you know, shopping, just looking like an elegant woman. And this is the back. And I love the little cutouts here. Material's good. You can't really see my bra, so it's a good material. So as you can see, the colors don't match. I was looking for the two-piece. The brown one, I really wanted it so bad. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, oh my god, please. But it was out of stock. And I don't think Zara is going to restock it either. So you need a pin if you want to wear it out like just this itself. Although it's kind of cold, so if you're wearing it indoors, I guess, if you're wearing it indoors. The UK is just a horrible country. It's just so cold. I need to go on holiday. But yeah, this is the waistcoat, whatever it's called. Size small, £30. I just don't like it because it doesn't match. And I wanted the brown one. I didn't want this colour. I'll show you the side. And the back. Material is really good, like great quality. It's a nice look, but it doesn't work because the colours don't match. And I don't want to wear the jeans. It's not my style.